How do I close this gap? Asking the question gives you the opportunity. Opportunity is in asking the right question. A lot of people don't ask the right question. Texas girl said, my insurance is not affordable. My insurance, $2,500 a month for me and my husband, 4K deductible, high copay. Do you have the opportunity or the option of changing your insurance? If you don't like it, I would change it. Now, do they give you good service or what's the situation? United covers preventive screenings. Okay. Do you think America would be better under a different society like a social democracy? Hell no. No. Magical, good question. Capitalism is not perfect, but it is the best option. So this is another thing that you get from these idealistic people talking. They talk as if there's some perfect outcome. There are no perfect outcomes, ladies and gentlemen. There's a trade-off to everything. I accept the trade-offs of capitalism. I prefer capitalism over any other system. Because if we were to create everything and everyone being equal, well, first of all, that would decentivize people who go out and create and build. Because why would they do it if they don't get the benefits? And if you create anything where the government controls everything, well, we already see what happens when the government controls things. Not a good idea. Sandra said, pure capitalism means everything is a transaction, including your children, just a transaction. Right. So that word pure is a modifier there. I say we are a capitalistic society. I wouldn't say we're pure capitalism, but we are capitalistic. Thank you, Spicy Lavender. A free mind said, we're all part of the problem. We need to fix ourselves first to be part of the solution. Well, what's the problem? Free mind, you're talking about the problem. What is the problem? Have you identified it? So we blame the system while we lack self-responsibility and personal accountability. Okay. That I generally agree with that frame. Cosmic said, what happens when money means nothing? Yeah, that's a good question, Cosmic. What happens is anarchy. So any of you who's not a Second Amendment card carrier or you cannot physically fight, you don't want that to happen. That's why I'm saying y'all don't want anarchy. So you should be happy with the trade-offs of capitalism. Because if we get anarchy, any of you who's not capable of physical violence, you're in trouble. You're going to be the first victim. Sandra said, a lot of people tell me numbers went up, hasty generalization. What are you referring to? What did I say that? Melanie said, my private insurance only covers preventative, then I had to pay $9,200. That's a lot. Take control of your own health. Yes. Hilly said, we've been poisoned for decades.